Good evening, everybody. Today's date is 6/12 of 2019. A little bit tired around here. What I have is a daily chart on that S&P 500 index. Now, let's get something straight. We had called an oversold rally, and we did. When you take this particular trend line right here, and that date was on 5/1, and we already have all the evidences there on the YouTube. Go watch the same videos over. We were going to get a rally, and we did. Now, when you come up and you come straight right down through here, and that landed right here at 2780, that line. When you take where this low was on this day, because we had came down, they popped it back up. So we come straight down here in that reversal trend channel and whatnot. They match just perfect. Now, when you take the high of that 6/4 daily bar right there, we kind of connect and we go right through here, right up here to where the price was. And so that was a 1, 2, 3, 4. That was a 5-day rally that way. This was a 6-day. The 7th day is over. That 50-day simple moving average at 2873.18. And it is. The 200-day simple moving average is 2775. Way back over here where we undercut it now. We got the 10-day moving average on that blue line right here, light blue right there. That's at 28.3. 50-day moving average S&P 2873. Now, unlike when we get extremely oversold, when we call tops, as you were told prior, that bear market rallies make more money. And the reason why is because it takes a special gift to be able to trade that volatility and know where to be at right then and there and at the right time. And so we're going to find out if we come down through the moving averages here, because everything is back up. These daily moving averages on the 20, the 10 is crossing up. The orange line is a 100-day moving average at 2816.7. Let it be known. And that that blue line that you see below that black line, the 50-day, it's a 40-day at 2869.5 pennies. Not only that, we're going to take a look, and what we're going to be looking for is where all of this bad news has been coming out, everything about the rate hikes or not rate hikes, everything with pensions, and it's a broken record every day, and it is. We were oversold. We were going to get a rally, and if we don't hold the support level right about, I'll show you right here. Let's just call this 2860 right there where I drew this. If we come down, we hit support. If we fall through that 50-day moving average, that black line, do we hit support and run back up and test that resistance? What we're looking for is another gap down open bell, which could happen in the morning. Right now, nothing has changed at all. The bad news, they use these high frequency algorithmic programs and the machines that they use to jack the prices up like this. So the machines were working overtime to get that rally, and they did. We're going to find out. We're going to know tomorrow if we're going to bounce and then try to make another high. The last high reversal is 2910 right here, and that's how they start. This is how they start, but to confirm it, we're going to have to go all the way down, and we'll see how long it will take to break this support level right here. So once again, let it be known that everything that's going on in the exchanges, there's a list of things, it's the same things and whatnot. Everything about what we're doing right here, right now, is about price action. And the reason why I tell you that, because if this thing is only, if they're only going to get a week up, but we had down to 6 weeks to the downside on the weekly chart, well, that isn't much of if we don't break above it, and even if we do, it's going to mean that that next resistance level, which is going to be right up here, where my pin, right up here, then we'll see if that comes into play and whatnot. So verification model will be what? will be based on that volume, be based on headlines, going to be based on the fact that we've only had a week off of the bottom, for crying out loud. We called the top reversals. You were here. We always update you because we like you. But I think it's a very special moment in time, and I think you need to pat yourself on the back. At least you're watching what I'm saying. You're trying to protect yourself, and that's a good thing. And we're here to help. All you got to do is reach out and get busy.